My lazy dad bought the Ryobi SwiftClean Vacuum over the weekend. He will test it for you. It supposedly removes fresh spills, stains, loose debris. He placed the 18-volt battery into the unit and the spot clean solution in the reservoir, and the tool was ready for use. His first try will be cleaning prime hydration off the carpet. Oh no, he accidentally spilled half a glass of prime hydration drink onto the carpet. He's in big trouble. Luckily, he has the Ryobi SwiftClean Vacuum. He started with the 4.3 kPa suction to remove the prime hydration from the carpet. He then sprayed a generous amount of the cleaning solution over the area to be cleaned. He turned on the roller to agitate the carpet and to suck out the remaining liquid, which goes straight into the waste tank. He repeated this process until barely any liquid was coming out. He then used Mum's hairdryer to fully dry the carpet. The carpet looked clean and smelled fresh. Cleaning was easy. The box contained the unit, a bottle of spot clean solution, and an instruction manual. It has 3 buttons, one to turn on the suction, one to activate the roller brush, and the other to spray the liquid. Next, he will clean some red wines. If there's anything you would like to see, let us know in the comments.